What you will say? Ah, no. Say Zaid is back and he got something. Okay, take two. Take two. What you will say? No need to carry. I thought you. No need. He wants to carry. No need to carry. Oh my gosh. He wants to carry. He wants to repeat. He wants to go from that side. Okay, ready? Go. Airplane? Oh, airplane. You're in a hurry? Huh? What else? Slowly, it will break. Oh, there's a coffee here.
And this is coffee.
Coffee and tape because yesterday you threw my coffee. My tape. Where did you put it? He forgot where he threw it. You know, I bunan him last time.
And this.
The glue.
For the school.
Yes, for the school and your body wash.
The body wash.
And we also have here your the stapler because sometimes you have project, you have homework project at home. Yes, this is the Chinese grapes, Baba. Did you taste it? No, it doesn't look like grapes.
A grapes.
Let's see. We'll see. We'll find it. And the green onion and tomato. Come here, slowly. It will break. It's small one.
What's this?
How much, Baba? The small one.
Look at that. 15.
The big one.
The big one.
Before. Before.
This is not Russian
Onion.
one.
And
This is not the Russian one.
yeah.
This is the original.
Yeah. Okay. Thanks.
What's this?
Coffee.
Coffee.
Yes, that's coffee. Okay. He has to go that side. Okay, ready? Go! Oi! Oi, fix your short. Oi, what happened to your short? Come here. Hey, baby. Your shorts. Oh, look. Oh. Why it's like this? Why you twist like that? Ah, sige. What you will say? You did not say anything. Still sleepy, Baba. You did not say anything. Okay, take 3. Okay, come here. Why it's straight, no period? Zaydo is back and he got something. What is that, Zayd? Like that. Okay, take 4. Okay, ready? Go. Back.
What did it say?
Stop. Stop. What's that? Oh, finish? You left? You left? Finished? Oh, only because he got his airplane. Without airplane, he will not open. Kina? Mama lang eh. Milo for Mama and Coffee Mates. How about the other stuff? I will go there, be. No need Zido is back because he is lazy today. Because he got his toys already. His toy already. Oh, this is the Nescafe. Nescafe, the original one. Huh? And what is this? For my mom. You saw it there? The rice for us and the Ariel. Okay. Thank you, Baba. Say thank you, Baba. Thank you.